So you're worried about light. When is camera zenyu aziko?
Aziko.
Aziko sawa?
Okay.
Are we ready? And you want to affirm that we support the decision of the Central Management Committee led by our party leader, Dr. Buru, where the party has officially mandated the Central Management Committee to initiate discussions for a possible coalition between ODM and UDA. So as Kakamega branch of ODM, our position is we indeed support the decision of the Central Management Committee, and we want to consolidate our people so that come 2027, we elect MCAs, members of the National Assembly, our senators, the governor, including the president, on a coalition of ODM stroke UDA.
So what the Central Management Committee did, the 5 points or 6 points agenda, we also want to add on that as members of ODM from the Western region, like me representing Busia, we want to say we are ready for those coalition talks. And currently, because we are in this broad-based government, that is our first choice.
We have agreed that we are in broad-based government and we want to support that program. And we have also agreed, for us, the three of us who are in ODM, we support our current party leader, and we also support what has been agreed upon in the meeting that was held in Kilifi on the Central Management Committee, that we will open up channels for discussion on coalition relationships as we move forward towards 2027.
As a region, it will be important as we go to 2027 to move together so that we have good bargaining power in 2027. You must have heard that I've been assigned some duties to coordinate the two-term re-election of President William Samoei Ruto. We have started some activities, and partly, like my colleagues have said, they are also meeting, their political parties are negotiating with the Kenya Kwanza or UDA and Kenya Kwanza to come up with a position. So we are saying that as a region, we are going to remain together politically, economically, and socially.